Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with lots of important opportunity. First is from the SAIL. So SAIL Graduate Program 2026 India and job location is Bangalore and Gurgaon. Talking about the important details, so this is the regular work and post. Basically, this is the latest application. So job description is SAIL Graduate Program 2026 and what is the role? So join us graduate at SAIL India where we will embark on comprehensive 3-year program designed to develop future leader. Okay, so we will give you proper training and you will be skilled for the jobs. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria? So you can go through it. You are required to have graduated prior to your first day at SAIL. Means you must be graduated or you must be pursuing or have completed bachelor or master or PhD degree. You need to have less than 3 years of professional experience and strong communication and interpersonal skills are required. Means simply if you are fresher then you are eligible for this and you should have a valid work authorization for India. What we offer, so you can go through their complete detail. There will be a good you can say salary package will be there. You will be having financial and health benefit, work life balance, career growth. So this you can go through this. So this is a wonderful opportunity for 2020 5 anyways 2026 pass out. So I will suggest must apply this. Okay, they have not mentioned that 2026 can't apply because they said that if you are graduating in this year then you are eligible. Okay, coming to some other important opportunities, so they are hiring for the software developer Java React and job location is Ahmedabad. So if you are comfortable in this location, then you can share your CV to recruiter@webbunny.in and these are the required skill that is core Java, Spring and Spring Boot, REST API and Spring ecosystem. Next important opportunity that is from American Chase and join American Chase IT consulting firm and this is a Fortune 500 client across the US. So if you are interested then you should mail your resume. Okay, these are the some other things they have clearly mentioned. So associate trainee non-technical freshers, so this is non-technical job and associate system engineer technical and this will be night shift. So for whatever role you are comfortable you can mail your resume. And friends, I regularly post lots of job update in this, so make sure to subscribe us so that you will not miss any job update in this channel. Okay, so Infosys also hiring for 2025 graduate or IBM hiring and Deloitte 2026 graduate hiring. So must apply if you haven't applied it. Coming to last opportunity, so we are hiring associate system engineer and care facility for female employees. So this is also American Chase. Okay, so you can mail to Shivam Dubey or this one means Hansika Dubey. So there are various means mails and post you can see on LinkedIn. So you can mail to any one of them. Okay. So this is important opportunity. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.